Criminal organizations have well-established smuggling routes across the country, particularly in border towns. April 12, 2024. Authorities in Salle County were led on a high-stakes pursuit after a truck driver towing a flatbed trailer refused to stop for a routine safety inspection. The driver eventually abandoned the vehicle and fled on foot, leaving behind a shocking discovery.
On the middle. Okay. Hey, there's more people underneath the boards. Huh? There's more people underneath. Yeah, dude, they're just telling me right now. You can hear knocking. Let me get my crowbar, dude.
DPS troopers, along with local law enforcement and U.S. Border Patrol, found the group crammed into the suffocating space. This alarming incident underscores the dangers of human smuggling operations, where profit-driven criminals exploit vulnerable individuals, risking their lives in extreme and inhumane conditions. They discovered a total of 23 undocumented migrants concealed in the floor of the trailer with no proper ventilation.
Yeah, I think I see somebody in the middle, on the far, in the front.
15 men, 6 women, and 2 juveniles. One individual suffering from dehydration required medical attention. All 23 migrants were turned over to Border Patrol authorities, while law enforcement continued the search for the smuggler who fled the scene. To explore more videos demonstrating law enforcement support in border security, simply click on any of the thumbnails displayed on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.